Watchers. I'm just going to focus on Weight Watchers right now because it's such an interesting story to me this morning because the stock is up so much on the news that Oprah Winfrey is taking a 10% stake in Weight Watchers. It's through newly issued stock. That's how that's part of the deal. Also, an option to buy an additional 5% is coming from Oprah. Oprah is going to participate in Weight Watchers as part of this, and she apparently is going to write about the results as she is going through the program. Weight Watchers, though, when you look at the enormous, nearly 80% gain that we're seeing in this stock today, you have to look at it in context. So let me walk you through it. First of all, take a look at the stock year to date on my Bloomberg terminal because, yes, it's getting this big boost today, but the stock is still down more than 50% for this year. So that kind of puts it in perspective that even with this enormous gain today, that the stock is still so depressed year to date. You also have to look at the short interest on Weight Watchers. So here's short interest as a percentage of float. As you can see, it's been pretty volatile here. However, short interest right now is 50% of the shares available for sale. So an enormously high level of short interest. That can also exacerbate an upward move as people cover their shorts as the stock goes up, and then that causes it to go up further. And finally, I wanted to look at the revenue picture for Weight Watchers. So this is revenue going back to 2008 here on an annual basis. The peak was in 2012. Since then, we have seen revenue fall by about 20%. One of the main problems for Weight Watchers is all of the competition that's out there now in the weight loss market, including from free apps like MyFitnessPal, for example. So if you can track your weight loss activities on an app, that is proving to be a more compelling alternative to many individuals who are trying to lose weight. That's been one of the main problems for Weight Watchers and one of the reasons the stock's been down so much. So you could argue that Oprah's kind of getting a bargain with the stock, too, given what we have seen happen over the past year.
Right, she gets rewarded both ways, right? If she loses weight on the program, and she also makes some money from this, too. But what accounts for the rise, though? I mean, that's a pretty big jump.
The rise that we've seen.
Yeah.
Well, it had done a big push into improved marketing and advertising, had gotten some new celebrity spokespeople, although I guess you can't beat Oprah on that front.